France's foreign minister announced plans to engage in discussions with Lebanese officials on Sunday to address tensions between Hezbollah and Israel and prevent potential conflict. Earlier this year, Foreign Minister Stephanie Sejourne proposed a plan that involves Hezbollah pulling back 10 kilometers from the Israeli border while Israel halts strikes in southern Lebanon. This proposal, discussed with partners including the US, aims to maintain momentum amid Israeli threats of military action in southern Lebanon. Tensions have escalated, particularly following Iran's missile strikes on Israel in response to events in Syria, leading to increased exchanges between Israel and Hezbollah. More Israeli strikes hit southern Lebanon overnight, close to the United Nations peacemaking force, according to military officials, just hours before Sejourne visited its headquarters in Naqoura. The UN peacekeeping mission, known as UNIFIL, as well as unarmed technical observers known as UNTSO, are stationed in southern Lebanon to monitor hostilities along the demarcation line between Lebanon and Israel, known as the Blue Line. France has 700 troops who are part of the 10,000-strong UNIFIL. Hezbollah has said it will not enter any concrete discussion until there is a ceasefire in Gaza, where the war between Israel and Islamist militant group Hamas has entered its 6th month. Israel has expressed its desire to stabilize its northern border to facilitate the return of thousands of displaced Israelis to the area, free from the threat of rocket attacks. In March, Lebanon's foreign ministry conveyed to the French embassy in Beirut its belief that the French initiative could significantly contribute to peace and security in Lebanon and the wider region. However, French officials note that responses received thus far lack consensus among the Lebanese, despite reports suggesting feedback from the Lebanese government. As Foreign Minister Stephanie Sejourne prepares to visit Israel later this week, Israeli authorities remain cautious about the French initiative. French and UN officials acknowledge challenges in fully implementing the mandate of troops due to violations from both the sides.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.